In this video, we will learn how to create and update the alert. So click on setting, and when you all do the settings with the indicator and all part of backtesting and target SL everything, once you decided, you enter the client ID and secret code. Let's enter the client ID for flat rate, and suppose this is our secret code, like that. Okay, so once you set up all the expiry date everything, then you click it on OK. But you remember that before you creating the alert, you should watch this dashboard. You can see the dashboard from here. You can see the dashboard. So Algo trading setting details tables. So in position status, position is open on chart. So that should not be like this, because once you created the alert, you know that the already position is open on chart. But you know, suppose this is the last short trade. Okay, but this short trade is not present in my broker terminal. There is no any previous entry, and I want to start from here. So you should close this trade before you creating the alert, because once you created the alert, this exit order will come, and because of you don't have any entry order, your exit order become the entry order. So to avoid this scenario, you can use two things. So first one is use the kill function. So kill all the trades on chart, and suppose this is your last, suppose this is your last signal. So note down the time. This is the 5 August 1520. So I will select the August 6 August, and the time is around 1520. Okay, so once you set it here time, you can see the purple line. You can see the purple line here. Let me check it. This is 5th August, sorry. So this choose the 5 August. Okay, this is 5 August. Okay, 5 August 1520. Okay, so you will see the vertical line here with this caption. Drag this line just before creating the alert to ensure no open trade exists on chart. So when I set on the last signal candle, what happened? All the trades are disappeared. There are no trades. So now once the signal came, it is your fresh entry. Okay, so by that way you can kill the trade, and then after you should alert the you should create the alert from here. Okay, you just create the alert, like let's say it's a BN option, and enter your webhook URL, whatever, then create it. So your alerts, you can see your alert here. This is your old alert. Let me remove it. So this is our new alert. So by that way you can create your alert when the no open position on chart. If the position open on chart, you can see with the red color, then you should use this kill trade. Now the other option is, if you do not want to use this kill function, then you can take your trade as a manually. You can take your manual trade. Suppose here you can see this is the short entry 50,100 P. So you take yourself at any candle here in current candle. So you take the current entry 50,100 P buy. Okay, so what happened? Once the exit order will come, your manual entry will be exited. So either you can be in a inline, and or you can kill your previous trade. So by that way you can be in a flowing trade. So this is the way you can create your alert. Now the other part is how to update the alert. Suppose you have created alert all suppose in between trades, or at the suppose you get the new secret code and new webhook URL, and you want to update on the same created alert. So how can you update? So suppose if you see that when you created alert and you click on this alert, you just hover the cursor on that, so you can see all the input values in the left side. You can see all the input values on the left side. You can also see the secret code here, somewhere here. Secret code somewhere here. It's a XX, XXX, and 123. So you can see that. Suppose if I want to add the new secret key. Suppose if I add the new secret key like ABCDEF. Okay. So if I add the new secret key or something I will change, suppose, then your alert is not updated. Your indicator is your indicator itself setting the ABCDEF, but in your alert there is the last time you created alert that remember only the secret keys XX, XXX, 123. Okay, so how you can update it? So click on the edit button. You can see the three button on the top side. This is the start and stop. You can stop the alert, you can edit your alert, and you can delete your alert. So go to the edit option, and in this first option, condition, go to the drop down section. You can see this is your old indicator, ATR AIO trading tool. you can see, if you hover on this, you can see the your secret code XXXX123 here. Okay, and this is your new one. At the bottom you can see this is your new one. This is the new one with the ABCDEF secret code. So when I click on the drop down, you can see your indicator the twice. So the last indicator on the bottom, that is your updated indicator. So click on it and now save it. So this is your, now if you give some time, it will update it. Wait for some time. Now you can see this is ABCDEF on the left side here, somewhere here. So by that way you can update your alert. You also remember that suppose if you enter the new secret key, you also have to update your webhook URL, because webhook URL and secret key are always in the pair. Once the webhook is changed, your secret key also will change. So also enter your new webhook URL and then save it. So there are two options: you can remove it, or and you can create the new alert. That is also, if you do not know and how to update, you just remove it and create the new alert with the new settings. So whenever you change anything in the indicator, it should be updated in your alert. Otherwise the settings in indicator showing something different and in alert showing something different, so it cannot match with your indicator. So always update your indicator, always update the alert with your indicator. Suppose if you want to update the time frame, so this is alert created on the 1 minute Bank Nifty chart. So if I want to convert it into 3 minute or 5 minute, so I will select the 3 minutes. Okay, and if you go to the edit option, you will not found your indicator twice. You cannot found ATR AIO 3 minutes, your ATR AIO trading tool, you are not finding the second time. So because you have not changed anything in your settings, that's why. So to update your time frame, you should change something in indicator, so you can easily update the indicator as well as the time frame. So suppose if I change like Sunday here, unclick it. So I have changed little bit in this indicator, and now when I update this indicator, it will change from 1 minute to 3 minutes. Let's say now you can see the second time your indicator, you click it, and when you click it and save it, you can see the Bank Nifty 3 minutes. So now 3 minute chart is updated. Now the other thing, what happens if you trade more than one symbol? So the problem is when you set the indicator with the one symbol and you set the indicator with the other symbol, so every time your setting will change. So suppose if you set the indicator here and all the settings, and suppose this is your expiry date 7 August with the Wednesday. Okay, and if I created this alert here, Bank Nifty options, and if I go for Nifty and I will change this expiry date and everything, then what happened? This will, if you come to again to the Bank Nifty chart, the last setting will show of the Nifty. So how to avoid it? So what you can do, you just click on this indicator template and go to the save indicator template and create the name Bank Nifty option. You just get some name, suppose this is today's date of 6 August or something like you can remember, and also click on the remember symbol, so it will remember the Bank Nifty symbol. And if you get the remember interval, so it also remember this time frame, as well as whatever the indicator, the ATR indicator with the itself save the settings, all the settings remain the same. So click it. When you click it, your Bank Nifty option 6 August, this template is created. Now if I go to the Nifty, let's say Nifty, this is Nifty 50 index, and suppose if I set something here, many things, suppose I have changed lots of things for the Nifty like 8 August, and if whatever the difference you can choose here. Okay, and now if I created the alert on the Nifty, this is Nifty 50, so this is your second alert. So I also want to save these settings for the similarly in template, save indicator template, and let's say it's a Nifty 50, remember symbol and remember interval. Okay, so whenever, suppose if I want to see settings with the Bank Nifty, then click on the Bank Nifty option 6 August, then all the settings come with the Bank Nifty settings. So you can see here your date is, expiry date is 7 August, and when I click on the Nifty, where is Nifty, this is Nifty 50, and if I see the settings here, the setting is 8/8/2024. So by that way you can save. Suppose if you come again in the next week, suppose the next week started, and you set the change, if you change the settings, if you come on the 9 9 August and your expiry date will be 15 August. So I will click on the 15 August. Okay, but still it is not updated in your template. So how to update your already created template? Again, go to the indicator template. When I this time you have to click on the drop down menu, and I want to update this Nifty 50. So click on Nifty 50. Remember symbol, remember interval. So what happened? The old setting that remember the 8 August now converted into the 15 August. So by that way you can also update your template. The other way you can do the split screen if you have a premium account or pro account or essential account. So click on it, and if you are trading the two symbols, click, one is Nifty and this is Bank Nifty. So keep it here, Bank Nifty here, Bank Nifty here. Okay, and so set the settings for the Bank Nifty here. Whatever the settings, suppose this is January, August. Suppose you are trading the Bank Nifty on the 7 August expiry. Okay, and you are trading the Nifty expiry with the 8 August. Okay, so and you create the separate alert for separate indicator. So by that way, if you do not want to create the template, that you can use like that. So either you can use split screen or you can use the template for the one screen. And do not forget to save this chart, because if you do not save the chart, then what happened? If you refresh your chart, then what happened? Your last saved chart layout will come and all things are disappeared. So always remember to save your chart. Another most important part is this dashboard, because once you set all the parts in settings, you must verify this dashboard that you have selected everything is correct or not. So you can see this is your Nifty symbol. You have selected the 5 paisa broker, or suppose if you set the Dhan broker, then it is Dhan broker. It's a Dhan broker, then it will say Dhan broker. So, and see, if you select a delivery, then it's delivery, quantity, lot size. So you can see here lot size, instrument is option. Suppose if you by mistake, if you choose the future, this is the index chart, and if you select the future here, then what happened? It will show the future here with the red color. Red color means something warning. So it's showing that if your instrument future, so if you want to trade future, then select the future chart which has 1 exclamation or 2 exclamation chart, and no need to set expiry date for the future in Dhan. So for Dhan, you no need to set the expiry for the future. So if you want to trade future, then go to the future chart. Otherwise, you select the option. When you select the option, then it correct it. So, okay. So this dashboard will help you before creating the alert. You just verify all the things. So no any mistakes will carry forward. Now, if you have choose the options, and so you choose the expiry date. So once you choose the expiry date, it will show the expiry day, Thursday. In case suppose by mistake if you have chosen the 7 August for the Bank Nifty expiry and your chart is the Nifty expiry, then what happened? It will show the 7 August and Wednesday. Here red color you will not see, but you can see that this is the Wednesday and this is the Nifty. So you know that on Wednesday Nifty expiry is not, it's only Bank Nifty expiry. So you can correct it. Okay. Then option strike. So whatever the option strike you have chosen, it will reflect here ATM. And it is option buying. If you are option buyer, then choose option buyer. If you are option seller. Okay. And it's saying the client ID not required because you are choosing the Dhan account. So not require client ID. Even if the client ID is present, that will not affect. Okay. So, and this is your secret key, and it's showing the position is open. So last position is open. So before creating the alert, you should clarify, you should remove this order by using the kill function, as I explained in the earlier. So this board is very important before creating the alert.